No, nobody know where the little boy is. So he can't say, well, this is a crime scene. Him can't touch because they don't know where him there. Not until them find and know, so well, there's a crime and where the crime commit, then they can tape it off and it becomes a crime scene.
And that's why my argument to this is not about crime scene. My argument to it is they're not allowing the police to carry out the investigation, because when they go in and they these people seeking clothes, they're not doing it because of the young man. They don't care about him. They just go and doing it because they're looking for clothes and they're looking for
everybody will come with different stories.
And then the thing is then draw innocent people in it.
And the more people
come with sympathy and have sympathy for the child.
And I meet with this and I meet with that. Now, when where I would be concerned and where I'm going to be concerned about is where L.A. Lewis is going down there and speaking to possible suspect. That is an issue.
Yeah, that is an issue.
Yeah, but cut your bird, I not say I'm free for do it still, But if I say this man did do something and say the police them they do want him and they don't want nobody else say something to him still. They would have him in a custody, if you know what I mean. So him
not necessarily.
Him out in the public, so a man free for asking something, It's up to him to don't answer, if you know what I mean.
No,
sometimes a case like that, I'm out, would have put him in a trouble, if you know what I mean. So if me do something and me I walk up and down on the street, I'm using me. You can't ask me what I go on,
No,
I'm not saying people are going to do him think like a police boss. So I saw him thing go.
No, but who is L.A. Lewis?
I'm saying I defend him in a way still, But
who is L.A. Lewis? Who is L.A. Lewis?
Why this thing keep on getting restricted? I want to go to them people here. Sandra, let me say something. You don't know what that piss off. I'm not even gonna cheat.
They're not the money of your life, that's right.
Yeah, maybe that's why.
Sandra, send nothing song gift there. Top up
about 5 everything come up now, Sheldon Wagwan. So Andrew, let me say this to you. The police can arrest you, and if they don't want you to talk to anyone, yes, you're right, them can lock you away and keep you in a cell. However, they can also release you and warn you. They can give you a warning to say do not discuss this case with no one because it's an open investigation. Until the investigation closed, you cannot discuss it. They also can take it to court, and the judge can give you that warning. The judge can give you that warning to say you will be on bail, but you do not need to go within a certain radius of where of this place. Do not discuss this case. Blah blah blah. Just like what they would do to a juror who sit in a case, they would say to the juror, "You're not allowed to discuss this case with no one except members of your jury team." So that is it. My thing is, in not making the situation any better by going down there and discussing it.
Looking for your floor.
You might look you not do it for the youth.
Looking for your floor.
Well, I not really getting that thing. I'm just glad to see still because I'm far from this still, if you know what I mean still. And
yeah, man, me hear you.
Everybody I do them I say still. We realize still because even now me I say me know the thing go still, yeah. Me hear them say them have a video from where the youth go to Walmart or where the place one call. You see them something still. Me know the thing supposed to go still. If something like that happen, the public supposed to see that on news from day one. So even when you hear people say them nah see the video and them not say that still, them not mean Walmart must get them it, Them some of the people they mean the police them need to show it. If you say boy something out there where a man can say boy I see this, But when them say
Andrew,
them have a video,
not to cut you. Did you know
when them say them have a video, when them
but
have
Andrew,
a video, them supposed to put out that I don't know what hide. And I said
point of order. Point of order. But Andrew, did you know that there's a gentleman that went to the place and demand the video from the people there?
Well, him wrong.
And them something there for staff.
They're not supposed to do that still.
Yes.
But also some people stay still where some people don't really know certain things, So them feel like them can't do that still, if you know what I mean. So sometimes I say if you understand it, you have to see with some of the people and everybody know.
When I see with them, then go and there's no problem.
Andrew, when I see with them, they need to left it and make the police to them work. The one of them are take out one of them are judge and jury and all.
And then you have to say still now, yeah. Remember, you know, enough case we go on, we not hear what the people them say, if you know what I mean. We not hear what the people them who them frame or whatever say. But through these people come out and say things and them hear. So everybody are gonna say things.
How long now
if people are gonna say things, especially me I gonna say I saw Jamaica around then, if you know.
4 weeks now blocking. 4 weeks in the boy.
So 1 second, let me say something to you. When it comes to this tape, the tape thing that you're talking about, it's not just so easy as you're saying to them. Them for do them thing and release the tape. It's not so easy to do. GDPR coming in, and GDPR done a lot of things when it comes to how people process information. You have to be careful how you process information, how you put information out there in the public. Number one, even though it's a crime, even though it's someone missing person they're looking for, the police them cannot just go inside Mega Mart and ask for the tape and get the tape off them and then put it out there. Mega Mart gonna have to do their because other people pictures, other people video come up on the thing, picture come up, image come up on the thing. So other people image come up on the thing, make it even worse.
No, but listen, that's what you say still, yeah? That way
1 second, now, 1 second, now, come and listen to me and talk.
Go. Say what you say.
Yeah, let me finish and then you come.
Yeah, listen, go on, me listen, yeah.
Yeah, man. So when other people think come inside of it, you have to be careful how you put it out there, as you have a last move come on you. And so when the police them get it, the police them gonna have to do their due diligence as well. They're gonna have to go out there and do their thing as well before they can properly put it out there. So that is something that we have to bear in mind as well. All right, for your side, there's a point of order.
Slow thing where you just said to me, so you said technology thing going out there. If we go in, it's 5.
Me not hear good.
No, I'm saying all technology stay now, yeah?
Yeah.
It's 20 people going in our store, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's like 21 people in our store, yeah? And the one person will make 21. Suppose that person them want say, boy, that person, we are looking for that person.
Exactly.
You see the other 20 people were in there. Them cannot show them, you know, but them black out them face, if you know what I mean, you know. That you know what you call it. So you see them something when me I say to you.
Let me say this to you.
No, hear the quick when me I say no, you see where me live. If I look at you go missing, or him go to Asda, or him go to whatever store him go to, and them I say them want to show a video. Them now go say, boy, hold back a footage for 1 whole month, and nobody not see that, brethren.
1 second.
They only can release it on certain basis.
Let me say this.
They will release a picture like they will freeze a particular frame if the feet they want to show with the youth with somebody or whatever, but they want one video.
Thank you very much, Rickster. Because what I was gonna say to him just now is, my daughter went on a bus in London and she get assaulted by a passenger on the bus, and she went to the police station, reported to the police. The police they send off to the bus garage for video footage of the thing. The bus garage basically get to a point where the police them want it, you know. The police them have to get to me as the parent for my dad, for my daughter to get involved in it. 1 second. To get in. In order to get this thing started, I have to get involved in it and write to the bus company myself. It then take them all long.
Because the thing is, you know, them are going to save it just in case the lease granted for them show it.
That still image them send out. So Andrew, you have to understand, brother.
No, but you have to look on it as well. Say every case different, you know. Miss a case different from whatever case you have to still in a virgin. So I say everything deal with different. You know, come on to them thing there.
Yeah, but Andrew, you said the police them can release the footage. The police them cannot release it because the public that would compromise the case.
So look here, so all them would get support. The police alone solve case, you know, when anything happen, you know.
Yeah, but if it's in a police hand, if the case in a police hand,
why you think police going to ask people questions? If you know what I mean?
What I'm saying, I'm talking about the footage where they say in the store. The police couldn't just go and release that to the public because they would have compromised the case. Him could them couldn't
Hold on
release
a
that.
second. Can't compromise no case.
Okay, one at a time.
Now we are get
That
rowdy.
would have been the judge would have signed that for them to release it to the public then, innit?
Let me say, if they were going to release, the only way they would have released the footage, right? You see, if when they go view footage, it show the youth in a footage, it show the youth in a would have released it. But if they go there and they see youth alone, him already missing, there's no need to release a footage if you see him alone and walk up and down. So now if you understand why would that make sense to release to the public?
Well, on which start? You see that tape there? What if somebody from Fiend community will run program upon him in a certain clothes? You know, for sure person face enough, but maybe somebody recognize that person that saw that clothes that them left out in and them see him like a little distance from the youth. I run a program from a distance, you know.
Well, that's true. Maybe evidence is
in
in
it.
it.
Can show any little lead, any little tip, you know.
Then if any little thing gonna go on, the police would not really do their job.
Police no must know that. I can know somebody from the community who did notice the boy they will link with the family.
Sheldon, you think people from the community not
Sheldon, let the police do their work. That is
Nobody
from
not
the
trouble the
community
police work.
attacking
Jamaica.
us
Listen to
into
Jamaica
their
for
work.
life. Nobody not trouble the police work. But you see in a case like that, the video can't harm the case.
too much police detective and police that on TikTok and judge and jury that on
That's
TikTok.
all the world is. As a police
Look here,
not
that
keep
is not
most
all the
time.
world is then too enough. Then too enough.
You're not talking about enough other things, enough other way too. I
We
saw
talk
the
about
people
politics.
got
No,
time.
Richter. No, hear me, Richter. You know, Sheldon.
Everybody feel it for the local youth.
Yes,
Everybody
but
feel
when
it.
them a take that and make money and fight and behave, that's why them a judge, jury and everything.
Sheldon, me and you know, say this is selective outrage. You know, he got more than 9 days because they make money and I get views make it past 9 days. Me I tell you that. You think I first youth that go missing in Jamaica? And we know you're and we know you're not about them.
Them make money and fight big time. Me not donate to nothing.
Not from penny. Me.
Them try, nobody come to me, but them back and I look donation. Them try love me.
Not if then live, me not go on the click if you send one rose.
But we smart people smart enough to know say that's a hustle. Me not talk about nobody who a hustle. That's about
Miss
the video
Justice,
footage.
thank you very much. It is very complicated.
You get me?
We know people
Yeah.
out there mean well. Some people out there on their life mean well. Because they're not act as if them are no investigator and them are no matlock and them kind of people. You understand?
Like L.A. Lewis are definitely clown to me. Still.
Yeah.
Where am I
them are
going
clowns,
with?
yeah.
My clown.
Hello,
out the
Louis, a
things,
big
right?
clown.
But the video footage, all over me see cases. If a person face, you don't want a person face, show you make it blurry.
So let me ask you a question. I heard a gentleman yesterday talking about a video that him see with the little boy standing up coming out of Mega Mart gate. Which video? How him get that video and where? What video is that?
Kids, what fear them say?
The man
Sheldon.
named Matteo or Matthias or something.
Matto.
Him see a video where the
Matto
little
enough.
boy come walking out of Mega Mart gate and he must show you down Perth Road and all kind of something.
And you know, so is him lie? It was the cousin who came on it and say, them get the video footage of this little boy coming from school at the back gate at the high school.
Lord
And
have mercy.
they got that.
But
That who lie?
him lead march.
Sheldon, let me answer you. Let me answer you with this, Sheldon.
That him lead
we're not
the search
saying-
march yesterday, no, in Tits.
Okay.
We're not saying in a Sheldon that the video can't be released and put out if there is such a video, you know. What we're saying, it takes time for it to happen. Yes, they can blur it out and them can do whatever they need to do to put out something. Yes, it can be done. But it's gonna take time for it to get done. It's not that easy as people think that, you know, it's modern time now and they need to touch two key and this and that and do it. It's not as simple as that. It's not as simple as that. They're gonna have to make sure that they do it properly, because if become an issue in later on, and they need to use it in court. You got some smarter solicitors out there. They will jump on it and they will use any technicality to get their client off the case. So this is something that you need to be accurate. You need to be precise when you do something like this. You can't just go there and rush it because you wanna.
Underestimating our policing and our new age police and with their investigation and facts gathering. I think we're and we need to allow them and give them chance. Yes, it's a third world country and this and that, but I think we're good enough. I think I trust them. I trust them.
King, you hear the news that them say. You hear the news that I hear this morning, yeah? Where them say them have the girl in custody, yeah? And
I never listen to it. I never hear it.
And she talk where the body they sent on. You know hear them.
So which news that come on?
Real news that me tell me they found it from early this morning. I listen to it that
So which news it come on? Which radio station? ITV?
No, I mean I know, you know. We just did a listen.
You're not ITV in Jamaica. Hey Sandra, we depend on this ITV thing from morning.
Yeah.
No, that's what I'm saying. Anything women at Europe and nationwide or them a Jamaican, me no believe nothing will come off of TikTok. Nothing panic.
True.
Nothing. That's me asking.
But what news you listen to? What news were you listening to, Andrew?
TikTok.
But I'm a program like your one this man. And
okay, all right.
The man actually a footage, brethren. Me I tell you,
Andrew, do me a favor.
Listen, I didn't say, you know, I ask you, brethren.
No.
Feel like that, tell me I say it, you know.
I'm not criticize you.
I'm just asking.
Yeah, Andrew, me understand, but
Ask
do me a favor.
Me I say. Me just
Andrew, let me tell you something. If you tell you nothing on TikTok, take out your salt bottle. Yeah? And make sure you take it with a grain of salt.
When you are here to your on TikTok, you are here some I think them what you are set up.
But me take my salt. And I try to show you say me take my salt.
Yep, but I ask a question still, you know. So
yeah, which is allowed.
Yeah,
not wrong to that question.
I would be glad if them found this little boy, if you know what I mean, because me have sleepless night. I don't know my youth, if you know what I mean. Me have youth of myself, but me have sleepless night. I just ask, so me hear that, so I say, I don't know if it's true, if anybody else hear it. So that me I say still.
Because me know that
if it's true.
Me see one man keep on, me show you something, one man get clout on TikTok. Me know one man, when they have Britain, the man they have 10, something like 9 or 10k followers on TikTok. And if you see this whole Naya gang sitting, the man usually have almost 60,000 followers, you know.
But that's...
You know, if UK go to Jamaica.
Yeah, but that's why them have TikTok fine a virgin, and that's why people you get it for the use, you know. So some people use it the wrong way.